guys, welcome back for another video. Today, Spot and I are going to be experimenting with my alarm clock. It's beautiful. It is also doesn't have the wrong, it's not, never mind. I can't remember the word. I can't grammar today. So, we put a Spot here. Let's get him a treat or something. Where did it go? Come here, Spot. Come here. Spot, come here. Now we gotta get the bag open. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Right here. Hello. Now you have to go to where it's Spot. I don't think Spot likes me anymore. It won't hurt you, buddy. Here, have a treat. You're such good. Okay, I guess we can turn it off now. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Alarm clock will go away, okay? Alarm clock is gone. Now will you eat a treat? Huh? You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? It's a yummy treat. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come here. That's a good boy. Here. You missed it, bro. Here, it's right there. I don't think he ever wants treats again. That thing came out of nowhere and scared the crap out of him. Hey, look! It's okay. It won't make noise. It won't make noise unless I press the buttons. It's okay. See? It'll be still. Not really, but it'll be still. It's not alive. It's battery operated. Should I press the buttons? Now that'd be mean. That'd destroy all his trust for me. You gotta get used to new things, bro. You gotta get used to new things. It's not moving. Not unless you decide to press the two buttons. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. I'll take the alarm clock away now. That's all for today, guys. The fun thing about taking videos is you can watch it over and over again without destroying your cat's trust for you. Like, subscribe for mine and Spot's relationship to be restored. I don't think he really likes me right now. That thing came out of nowhere.